Hey everyone, Greg here with Collectiv, and today I wanted to talk to you about an exciting announcement that was released last month at Microsoft Ignite, and that is the availability of a new Power BI Premium SKU. And that SKU is called Power BI Premium per user. So basically how this SKU works is you no longer have to pay for a P SKU or an EM SKU, which is usually much more costly, ranging around anywhere between $1,200 to $5,000 per month. What Microsoft has now announced is that you can buy Power BI Premium on a per user basis. Now, we're not really sure exactly what that cost is going to be yet. Microsoft has announced that they are going to be releasing that costing information around the beginning of November. However, what I can tell you is that these per users, the premium per user SKU is going to have many of the same features that the existing premium SKUs have. So very exciting stuff that came out here at Microsoft Ignite last month. If you're interested in hearing more about Power BI licensing SKUs like Power BI Free, Power BI Pro, the existing Power BI Premium, and what you actually get with the new Power BI Premium per user SKUs, look at the link here as a part of this video. Collectiv recently had a webinar where we went through all the different types of licensing. And in that webinar, we go through Power BI Free all the way to Power BI Embedded SKUs. We talk about the benefits, the pros and cons of each. So if you're interested in that, have a look below. As always, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please mention them in the chat below.